Guys, so we are back in Disney World. I usually try and do our room tour videos before we get in the room, but we had a late flight last night and it was delayed, so we didn't get here till 1 a.m. So I didn't do it. But we're here now, and I'm gonna give you a quick tour. We are at Disney's Wilderness Lodge at the Copper Creek Villas. The Copper Creek Villas are the newer DVC villas, as opposed to the Boulder Ridge Villas, which are the older ones. And I do think it's important to note that the Copper Creek Villas were not originally built for DVC, with the exception of the cabins, of course. They were actually existing rooms within the hotel that were renovated and converted into DVC. So they had some different considerations and restraints that they had to work with. So they are a bit smaller. I will say that I do think our room is a little smaller, but not a lot. It's not, doesn't feel cramped or anything. It's a really nice room. We are in a studio again, and it's just absolutely, oh, you can't see that at all. It's just absolutely beautiful here. Best you can tell, the sun is obviously right there, so you can't see very well, but I will try and get a better view, and let's take a look at the room. Okay, so I got my camera shaded a little bit. You can see that's our view of, I think that's a quiet pool over there, and it's just a beautiful resort, absolutely stunning. Nice little area down there, and yeah, we'll go check out the room. In the room, we're gonna start at the other end. This is the balcony right here. Beautiful room, well themed, very beautifully decorated. So you got that. We got a door here. Looks like we are the smaller section of what could be a 2-bedroom lock-off. That would be the fold-out couch. I do love, I'm going to show you real quick this little detailing on the curtain. This nice coffee table here does lift up and out if you want to sit and eat. We, of course, have our TV, beautiful dresser. It's nice detail in the foot of the bed blanket, or disheveled bed. Nightstands. One nice thing to note, all of the plugs in the bedroom section have these USB ports to charge your devices, which is great that hotels are starting to do that. We'll come over here. I will say the bed is beautiful, but watch the corners. I've already caught myself. There is also space under the bed. A lot of hotels have stopped doing this, but there is space under the bed. You can store your luggage, which is nice, since it's not a super huge room. Beautiful mirror that I'm not going to put myself in. Another dresser, again, the USB ports, and another one there, and another one here. So here's the little kitchenette, microwave, coffee maker, fridge. If we come up over here, toaster, ice bucket, a few glasses and coffee mugs, as well as some disposable coffee mugs, plates, soap. This pulls out if you went grocery shopping. And here we've got some disposable cutlery and can opener and bottle openers. And then that's just got a trash can and under the sink. So we've got the bathroom here, again, beautifully appointed. Here's the shower area. So the light switches outside the shower area, and toilet, which my husband pointed out could be used for a lot of fun pranks. Nice picture. Stand up, walk-in shower. Just beautifully tiled. And come back out. So we've got the sort of barn style door that can be closed to close off the sink area if someone needs some more privacy getting dressed. The mirror's all fogged up because it was pretty cold in here when we woke up, and we opened up the balcony door and the temperature difference really steamed everything up. So we've got closet here. Not a huge closet, but I think it's big enough. Extra pillow and blanket for the pull-out sofa, hangers, ironing board, and then yeah, that's the entrance. Now this is the master lighting, and if you turn that off, all the lights will turn off, and you can't turn them back on. So leave that on, and that is a studio accommodation at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, Copper Creek Villas. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I did real quick want to show you a view of the lobby from the upper levels. When you get up to the upper hallways, you can look down on the lobby, and it's just a beautiful lobby. And we're also real quick gonna come across this little bridge and see what we've got going on out here. Beautiful view. Very nice. Like I said, it's just a absolutely stunning hotel.